Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, please do subscribe and hit bell icon for watching more videos. And let's start this video. This video is all about the arithmetic operators. Well guys, you know very well what are the arithmetic operations that are adding, subtracting, division and multiplication. These are the arithmetic operation. Like here what, let's take variable int x comma y, and you can say as answer. Okay guys, so we have take these variables or in int, and let's print a value of x is equal to is 10, okay, and y is equal to, let's take 5. Okay, so what we have to do for adding some value, let's result, let's write here is this one. Okay, I will copy there. Answer is equal to x plus y, and let's print this value. System dot print ln. Now what we have to do, we have to print this answer here is equal to x plus y, that is answer is equal to, and we have to put this in inverted commas, that is double inverted commas, is equal to, and here what we will do is plus here this answer is answer. Okay guys, so let's print this. This is for addition, and let's comment it here, and for addition, and let's now run this, and answer is equal to 15. This is how arithmetic operator works for addition program. So as for example, let's change this name because it is really confusing for you. Result, and whatever you want to give it this name here, whatever you can you can give it, and let's try and run this, and result will show here, and result is equal to plus 15. And here as well you can do this for the subtraction. Let's copy this all, and okay, let's little bit move this, and this is used for the addition. Let's use it for the subtraction here, and print here it is. We will use minus there, and result you will see. And let's try and run this program, and the subtraction result is equal to x minus y, 10 minus y is equal to, result here you are showing is 5. So this is for you can say subtraction, as you can use it for the multiplication, and like here we have to just use this multiplication or star value, and let's make it multiplication. I am commenting this because of you can remember this, and here this third variable result, you can say result for multiplication to remember. You can write this, and the third result you will be see as multiplication 10 into 5. Let's see what will be the result. Result of multiplication is 50, and same as if you want to divisible by let's try this, and this is the modulation use, and you will see the result is equal to I think result will be the 2, I think, because it is integer value, not a double value, so result here will be the 2. If you want to print this in double value or float value, you have to use double int here. Let's try and run double, and now the value will be value should be 2.5. let's try run no 2.0 here, and this is how this works. And if want to print and this is how you can print the old value. And thank you so much for watching me, and if you like my video, please do and follow and subscribe, and thank you so much again.